another, I guess. I'm first gillying up my gun. That's the Ghillie review. Now I remember what the thing is. It's not the Ghillie loadout, it's the Ghillie review. So I'm just going around and so I'm using this one. Blah blah. That's what's the loadout I think. I might be taking chips of Coca-Cola here and now. I'm thirsty. So, stuff. My block is crooked. Good. So, you guys probably can't see off camera right now, but I got this good thing, I guess you want to call it. I can select different directions. I'm starting for the video, I don't know, I can't move on. So here's what I'm using to net my stuff. This is actual camo netting. Needs to be wet, needs to be clean and that stuff, but that's what I'm using. I got a whole bunch of this stuff, so I'm using. You guys probably didn't get to see this in my last review, in my last video. It's actually my utility boat, so, and it is specifically made, this hostel, specifically made for Glock 18. Got from to Airsoft, you guys saw. So, that's what you get, and these are, oh, what a bitch, that hurt. Bloody thing. Bent my nail, okay. But these are made for 1911s. Oh, Uncle Mike. No. Stallion. But you can tell these fit. See, fit. Sort of. So that's why I go on and they're so snug. Look at that. I have to flip that up and pull it out. I used that before. I love it. Until I get actually a Glock magazine holder. I'm gonna get handcuffs, pepper spray pouches. That goes into it. Oh, hang on. Oh. God. Yes. I found a new use for this bucket. I can keep my silent sword in it. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's my nail quite a bit. But that's that. So I'm probably gonna keep that in now. Latex gloves. I got some few latex gloves in now. Wow, they've given me a huge story checking. I think I'm bringing for the 2 days of Airsoft. You guys, it's a treat for you guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Get my hair right now. Bloody hell. Clean this area up. Coca-Cola sipping on. I'm also getting 2 unboxings. Plus you get third box. Ain't gonna be too much of unboxing. I'll say it right on the thing, but it'd be helpful. Here, I'm gonna give it a hint. What could you use this for? It's hollow in one, it's empty, it's open to one side, and it's blocked the other side. And I'm gonna have something in front of it to read things, so. What is this gonna be used for, people? Figure it out. Still not done being made by making it, but you know, that's that stuff. So possibly I've confirmed 2 boxes, mystery boxes, the swag boxes. If I get the pocket grenade, oh my god, I'd be so happy. Great thing to do. But I'm stalling out, so let's just get to the video. Like I said, let's just get to the video. Unbelievably close for you guys right now. Sorry about that. Who's texting me? Nobody. Good. Alright. Just to say I get a text. Hang on. Blah blah blah. Facebook. People. I don't want to put that there. Nope. Let's put that one. There we go. Okay. So the camo I'm using. I can't really find that, as you saw. What I was using, this stuff. Well, close enough. Alright, so. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but maybe. Oh. I actually have an idea. I have an idea. Oh dear God, Lord, please help you guys, because I have an idea. You guys don't know me in person. Ideas are not usually the best. A lot of people usually shit. People usually will get injured and fun stuff like that. Bloody hell. Oh my. Oh God. See guys? See how horrible this is going? You know why it's going this bad? Because I have an idea. Not much is gonna be it for a camo. Like, honestly. I say, oh God, my sling point. Don't these things like extend a bit? Ah, there we go. I say, look, they look like I had enough stuff. Now we're getting to the point. Now we're getting to the good stuff right now. I need to somehow tie this on together. So I hope you guys liked my good news about my Glock and this thing. I knew this was going to be okay. You know, it's the electric part. My Glock is the main thing I got. You know what? Nothing to feel. Juba is here. Don't ask what the hell that means. Please, just don't ask me. Because even I don't know. Let me go, magazine. Oh, cranky doodle had a lamb, dee da dee da do hoo. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Oh. This is getting good, guys. Let's get into this. This is officially getting to the good stuff. Oh yeah, definitely getting to the good stuff. Now I got the farm now. Oh shit. Oh God. Oh God. I gotta see somewhere else. I can't talk to Jack. Oh shit. How many times have I shit off shit already today? Oh shit. Oh, get it. You need it. Yeah. Everyone knows the weapons? I'll tell you right now what the weapons is from. Multiplier. Don't know that episode though. You guys like multipliers? If you guys like multiplier, like and subscribe to me. Because, you know, that's what you should do. I am like the most amazing person in the world. Everybody should absolutely not listen to me about anything. Quiet. Because I'm a crazy 7, 8, almost. I'm not gonna say 18-year-old. I'm just to 18, 2 months away. Shut up. Leave me alone. But yeah. So 18 soon. I'm excited. Need to go drink. You know. So. Yeah, that sounded different. Close to me. This is quite different. I need to try and cut this shit off. front, this side right here, the back. I like the back. Back looks nice. Back looks super nice. I'm not even looking what the other side looks like. Like shit. Ah, looks pretty nice actually. Can I still put the scope wings on? Oh yeah, nice. Still put the scope wings on. I'm happy about that. Thing I was worried about. Is any of this gonna come loose? Okay, it's not wrapping this around. I'm just gonna start attaching things together. So if you guys haven't noticed, when the first video I put, first YouTuber I've hanged out with, that's me hanging out with Deep 6 Airsoft. We were talking and we were like, hey man, when are you going up next? He's going up this day. I was like, oh, so are we. So we met up, and that's what some of that footage is from. That's the day all my guns crashed. No, not all my guns crashed. Thursday, my first gun decided to crap out on. I did not like that day. If you guys don't know about that day, my second gun, I got from PM Hobby, so go there. I went and it broke, and the sling mount actually broke on it, causing my gun to actually fall and crash into the ground, breaking the barrel, like out of the tip of the barrel breach, if you want to call it. Blast handle, there we go. Blast handle. And, well, when I did that, it messed up everything else. How am I going to fix this? I need to, like, somehow... this thing hanging down. The front looks really nice. I like the back. The back looks nice. All I gotta do is this. I somehow gotta deal with all this loose stuff here. I don't want loose ends. Let's make sure I can release my gun. Good. I can round a new one in. Let go. New one in. Perfect. And make sure I'm gonna take this off cam. See this right here. 10-minute long video already. Okay. Look at that. That is pretty cool. So. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Why did I lower that? Damn. Why did I bring that back up? Yeah, dang. Oh, shit, hit the camera. Clumsy phone again. Hope you guys can see it still. We're good. So, put this back on so I don't touch the lenses. Go. And perfect. Not even fine. I did it so that I still have access to that. I have this I can tie onto somewhere. I know how people say, Ghillie, Ghillie man, you need new sand to make it look better. I know. But I don't know how I have loose ends. It gets caught and stuff, and you pull away pretty quick. You can whip swing off the gun, and you get a gun for him, and no money fuck out, which I don't have because I lost my job. I'm gonna talk about that. So that's ghillie thingy. That's me ghillieing up my gun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long video, probably 14 minutes, I'm guessing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. So now my ghillied up M14 DMR. That's what you want to call it. If you want me to call it. I enjoyed it. I love it. I love this gun so much. Now, I enjoyed it when I first got it, but it takes the cake now. It takes the cake. How good it is. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you. The thing, the ghillie loadout's next. I don't know, but yeah, I'm the one that makes the ghillie loadouts next. Okay, have fun, everybody.